Hi everyone! Want to keep your ex, formerly Twitter, a feed clean and a free from sensitive content? Today I'll show you how to turn off the sensitive content in just a few easy steps. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type x.com and log into your account. Then tap on profile icon in the top left corner. Scroll down and select the privacy and settings. Then click on privacy and safety. Tap on the content you see. Here, you'll see an option labeled Display Media that may contain sensitive content. Simply toggle this off to remove sensitive content from your feed. Then, go on the search settings, toggle on the Hide Sensitive Content to filter your searches. And that's it. Now your X feed is clean and safe. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching!